Plant FAQs, Tillandsia neglecta. The allure of Tillandsia neglecta, a beginner's guide. As a lover of all things botanical, I was immediately captivated by Tillandsia neglecta, also known as the neglected air plant. Its air-dwelling nature, striking appearance, and surprising ease of care make it a perfect addition to any indoor space. But like any curious plant enthusiast, I had questions. Here, I've compiled a comprehensive guide to Tillandsia neglecta, answering the most common questions to help you cultivate your own thriving colony of these unique air plants. See more 690 species in genus Tillandsia, air plants at monsteraholic.com. What is Tillandsia neglecta? Imagine a plant that thrives without soil, gracefully clinging to rocks or branches in its native Brazilian habitat. That's Tillandsia neglecta in a nutshell. Belonging to the bromeliad family, it boasts characteristic air-harvesting trichomes that absorb moisture and nutrients from the surrounding air. This quirky plant features gracefully arching, deep green leaves that form a rosette shape. With proper care, it produces a stunning pink inflorescence that bursts into delicate purple flowers, adding a touch of whimsical beauty to your home. How to care for Tillandsia neglecta? The beauty of Tillandsia neglecta lies in its low-maintenance nature. Here's the lowdown on keeping your air plant happy. Light, bright, indirect sunlight is ideal. Avoid harsh midday sun, as it can scorch the leaves. East-facing windows are a great choice. Watering. Unlike traditional plants, Tillandsia neglecta doesn't need constant watering in soil. Instead, soak it for 30 minutes to 2 hours once a week, allowing it to dry completely upside down afterwards. You can adjust the frequency based on your climate. More frequent soaks in dry environments. Humidity. While Tillandsia neglecta can tolerate average humidity levels, it thrives in a more humid environment, around 50% or higher. Grouping your air plants together or using a pebble tray with water can help increase humidity. Fertilizing. A light misting with a diluted orchid fertilizer once a month during the growing season, spring and summer, can provide a welcome boost. How to propagate Tillandsia neglecta? The magic of Tillandsia neglecta lies in its ability to self-propagate. Over time, your mature plant will develop pups, smaller versions of itself, at the base. Here's how to nurture these little ones. Wait for the pups to mature. Patience is key. Allow the pups to reach at least 1/3 the size of the mother plant before separation. Separate gently. You can carefully detach the pup by hand, twisting it gently until it comes free. Alternatively, use sharp, sterilized scissors or pruners to make a clean cut at the base. Independent life. Treat the separated pup just like its parent. Provide it with bright indirect light, regular watering sessions, and proper air circulation. With a little TLC, your pup will soon become a thriving Tillandsia neglecta, expanding your collection of these fascinating air plants. Additional tips for Tillandsia neglecta success. Air circulation. Good air circulation is essential to prevent rot. Avoid keeping your Tillandsia neglecta in stagnant air. Mounting options. While Tillandsia neglecta doesn't need soil, you can creatively display it by mounting it on driftwood, cork bark, or even seashells. Just ensure the chosen material allows for air circulation around the plant's base. Signs of distress. Curling leaves and a dull appearance often indicate underwatering. Conversely, mushy leaves suggest overwatering. Adjust your watering schedule accordingly. By following these simple tips, you can ensure your Tillandsia neglecta thrives for years to come, adding a touch of botanical wonder to your indoor space. So, embrace the world of air plants and embark on a rewarding journey with this unique and captivating bromeliad.